Heinemann Higher, Chapter 7 on Polynomials, the next exercise, 7k at the end, number 4, the form higher question. There's a graph shown, gives you the equation that's used for the graph, and it says factorise it and find where it crosses the axis. So we're looking for these points here. Where does it cross the x-axis and where does it cross the y-axis? Well, the first part was factorise it. So that means I'm going to use my synthetic division then. I've got my coefficients 1, 1, negative 16 and negative 16. Now since I've given a sketch of this, I'm assuming that one of the answers would be something like negative 1, just going with this root here, or 0 there. So I'm going to try negative 1. So I've got 1, multiply up negative 1, 0, goes back up to 0, negative 16 goes up to, multiplies to positive 16, so it does give 0. Maybe I should make a statement since it's a higher question. The remainder is 0, which means that the x plus 1 is a factor. What's that part there? There's the justification for what follows. So that means it should be equal to x plus 1, the remainder was 0, so that's the quotient. So the remaining factor is x squared plus no x minus 16, which then equals x plus 1 times difference of 2 squares, x minus 4, x plus 4. That was the first part. Factorise f of x. That's it done. Part B, find where it cuts the axis. Right, that's a standard. Well, first of all, the y-axis. If you're on the y-axis, you're above or below this origin, so x is 0, in which case this thing here should come to just negative 16, replacing all the x's with 0. So I've got the point 0, negative 16. That would be that point there. Then the x-axis. On the x-axis, y should be 0, in which case this expression should be 0, but it's already factorised here, in which case x plus 1, x minus 4, x plus 4 should equal 0. So we've got x equals, but taking them in order, we've got x equals negative 4, x equals negative 1, or x equals positive 4 for the x coordinates. If it simply said find the x coordinates, that would have done, but it said find the coordinates of the points, so I'll list them. There's one at negative 4, 0, there's one at negative 1, 0, and the remaining one is at 4, 0. Giving us, whoops, that's a bit messy, the 4 points where it cuts the axis.